Hi, right, today Dean has come down for his second system to be fitted. The reason being he's trying a skin system with a lace front, and if you see at the crown it looks fantastic, as you can see there, right, but you can see at the crown it's just gone thin in, and that's happened a bit too much, so we think it's scratching at night. So poor Dean's going to wear gloves and see if he scratches a new system, because the gloves will make him realise he's doing it.
Yeah.
But the new system's a skin system at the back, and I think that will help. You've got a silk pillowcase, haven't you?
I have now, mate, yeah.
Yeah, so he's doing everything he can, but sometimes these things happen. Right, so this is the system to be taken off, and Troy, just to help the clean up, puts cotton wool on before the solvents and then removes as much as possible. That's always good. Less solvents on your head, the better.
Yeah, well, it gives you something to grab hold of when you wear it down.
Yeah. And
with the oil, make sure you get some grip on it.
There's
put in the cotton wool.
There's Troy with his new hairdo, which he did all on his own, bless him, on a block. So we got clever people in here, and I'll leave you to it, okay? Yeah. Have you actually been anywhere, Dean, for a haircut yet, or?
No, not yet. Guys, just come back here.
Have you looked at any stylist, like a mobile hairdresser, perhaps?
Well, before I got the system done, originally, I spoke to my hairdresser about it. The guy I've been going for years.
Yeah.
And probably since I was about 7, actually. And
5 years ago.
he was like, I said, look, mate, I'm thinking about getting a hair system. And he was like, mate, that is brilliant. He goes, look, my cousin's got one. Yeah, they're actually really, really good. I would not be able to tell.
Yeah, excellent.
And I was like, oh, well, look. He goes, I'll give you the number. This guy, no, I'm already speaking to someone about it, which is you. And it was like, look, give me a ring during the week, and I'll get you in touch with this guy if you want.
Cool.
And I was like, no, it's okay, I'll go and see.
Well, thanks for that.
But he goes, and I did say at that time, Phil, I was like, can you cut my hair in the future without obviously knowing that I've got a system? And he was like, yeah.
Oh, that's brilliant.
And the good thing is, he's gone to like, he's got a big shop, he used to employ about 5 girls.
Right, okay.
He said, look, I've gone to appointment only, mate. I just want a quieter, easier life.
Easier life, yeah.
Yeah. And obviously, because of the lockdown and all that at that time, it's just, he's adapted, mate.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, it was, you know, the best thing was, mate, to get his kind of approval. Getting a system was probably the best thing. And one thing I will say as well, I kind of looked alright, and I could hide. I was going really, going quite bald.
Yeah.
And I think that's the key thing as well. If you don't want too many people to realise, get it done early.
Yeah, everyone is now, even with your mask on.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you should approach the stylist and ask if just take care of your own hair around the back and sides.
Yeah. Or lift it. Or,
Well, if you went in pretty soon after what Troy's done today, then you get an idea of the cut you're looking for. Right. That's a good idea, isn't it?
Yeah.
Go in with the system on and say.
They can follow the guidance.
Then he gets probably take a few pictures and follow the guideline when he clips. When he clips the system hair up, you know what to do.
Yeah.
Cool. So we're still using
ultra hold tape
for this, and because there's a bit of shedding at the back, we're going to secure from here backwards with the tape as well. So it's going to go all the way around the perimeter, adhesive at the front, and more from this area here.
Yeah.
Troy's just properly putting the final strip. So we're going to make sure that's secure to the scalp and not loose. So if it's scratching the head, it should help, or even if it's moving at night, just keeping that area more secure. What adhesive are you using, Troy?
Ghost Bond Supreme today.
Excellent.
Good if you sweat quite a bit. Get too hot.
Yeah.
Troy's done his guidelines around the front. His marker, sorry for that, Troy. And will you do probably 2 coats?
Yeah, we always do 2 coats. I mean, some people prefer 3, some people prefer 1, 2 individuals, but in here we tend to always do 2.
It really does depend, doesn't it?
Yeah, it depends on you and your skin type and things like that. Just above that line. Make sure his dots roughly touch.
There we go. There's an extra bit we're doing to tape in. Perfect. Good job. Yeah, it's shaping up nicely.
Yeah, we're getting there.
You liking it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I've got a nice video of you with your hairstyle. You style your hair system really well. It doesn't look too dissimilar to what you had before when you came in.
Yeah,
Just a little bit
right.
more hair.
Yeah.
Quite a bit more hair actually.
Less bald patches and receding bits.
Yeah, that's coming along well.
Brilliant.
Good.
Yeah.
This is where you just check the length of the hair, isn't it? Dry it off.
Yeah, just checking it, get it in a slight style,
And then
you can see if we need to take any more
that front looks good, doesn't it?
long bits off.
Wow.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Hairline.
Fantastic.
That's good.
Excellent.
A little bit of spray, buddy.
So you don't touch it on your way home?
That's it. Set it in place. It means you can play with it. You've done it wrong.
Yeah.
I'll be driving over 2.5 hours.
Northampton, yeah?
Yeah.
Look at that.
That's great.
Fantastic.
That's really good. Really good.
Right?
Yeah. Let's have a look. Superb, Troy.
Happy?
Yeah, really happy.
Alright, buddy?
Really happy.
Let's have a look at that side. Turn your head a bit. Not that way, the other way. Save you tripping over your feet. There we go.
Yeah.
That looks fantastic. Good job, Troy.
Well,
Looking you, man.
one thing I will say is like, this is my second system now, and the support I've had from you guys has been amazing.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for that. Just knowing I can come back here anytime, sort it out for me.
Well, you make such an effort for
Brilliant
Northampton. I'm glad you're happy anyway.
No, really happy.
Excellent.
Thanks, mate.